Okay guys, welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today we have something special for you guys. Today I'm gonna make something. It's a request from one of my beautiful subscribers. Reached out to me and said, oh, Str8yaad, I want you to make some pepper shrimp for me. I said, okay, I'm gonna put it for you so other people can see it as well. Okay guys, so right about now, we have the shrimp. We have 2 packs of shrimp. Let me see how much they weigh. Because the shrimp are kind of expensive nowadays, you know guys. This is like a pound. And this one, let me see. Yeah, 1.3 pound and a quarter. So it's about 2 pounds and a quarter of shrimp. Alright, just say 2 pounds. Alright. This is what we have here. And guys, when you're making the shrimp, make sure they have the head on. This is the best way to make a pepper shrimp. Okay, my peeps. So if you want to make the best pepper shrimp, make sure you use the one with the head on. Okay? See? Yeah. Nice. Some nice shrimp, guys. Nice shrimp. Alright, so you know how it go? We have to get with lime. So we're gonna wash it. So you know how Str8yaad doing thing already, my people. And all my beautiful subscribers. You know we have to wash everything from the store, right? And the best way to use is lime or vinegar or salt. So I have a beautiful lime here. This is shrimp. Shrimp always like lime juice. So I'm gonna just use a whole lime to wash it up. Okay, my peeps. Beautiful. Now all I'm gonna do is get some cold water on it and just, you know, put them in the water. Sit a little bit in the water. You know the lime juice kind of tenderize it too, you know guys, so you gotta know that trick. The lime juice tenderizes the shrimp or a conch. Most seafood, just squeeze the lime juice on it, it's tenderized. Alright, you see that water? Alright, this is what we're talking about. That's what the lime juice do. Get everything off. Clean it up properly. Give them a rinse. You know where it go. You have to wash properly, you know. If you don't wash properly, you don't know what we are going to eat. When we wash properly, we know what we're eating. Something clean and nice. See that? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It has to be clean, my people. You know how we do it already. Everything has to be clean. You know? Alright, so that is it. That is it. Let's drain off all this water. Alright. You know how you go. So alright, my beautiful people. This is the shrimp. Okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and shake them off real good by removing them. Put them in the next pan so I don't have that excess amount of water. I don't need a lot of water on them, guys. I don't need a lot of water. Even though you wash it, you gotta make sure you don't need a lot of water. If you could get it as dry as possible, it's better for you. Okay. See there? You see all that water that came out? I tell you there was a lot of water leave. Alright, that is it. It gives the flavor in the shrimp. Okay? And you could go ahead and take the main vein out. That's what I'm gonna do anyway. I'm gonna take the main vein out. I always like to take the main vein out of the shrimp. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just give him a little split. Just a little split. And just pull the vein out. Okay? Yeah, just pull him out. That little black thing, pull him out. And you can pretty him up by just trim him up. Trim off all these excess. These are the toes, you know. Yeah, you can clean them off. See? So I'm pretty. You can do it like that. A lot of people don't even do that, my people. They just do it the same way. Just wash it and just do it the same way. You can do the same way too. You don't have to do it like how I show you to do it. But this way is the best way anyway, because you take the vein out. You understand? I'm gonna take my vein out. And this is gonna make it have a lot more flavor too, because I'm not splitting all the way down. If you see that little cut I make, just a little cut. Only just to take the vein out. Let's hold it, pull him out. You see that? Pull him out. I'm not gonna trim all of them up, guys. I'm just showing you how you can do it. There's other way you can do it. Because if you don't like all these things, just take the scissors, trim them off. Trim them off. See? If you don't like it that way. But I'm gonna go ahead, take out my veins. I'm not going all the way down like I tell you. See, the vein is right there. So all I'm doing is pull the vein and pull him out. See? That's all I'm doing. Alright, so all I do, just lift the shell up, go under the shell, not in the meat. Just go under the shell just a little bit. And you will see the vein. This is the black vein I'm talking about. You can just hold it. See? It come up right there. And just slide it out. Okay? Like that. See? Let's pull him out. Pull him out. Alright, my beautiful peeps. You don't have to do anything to the shrimp, guys. You can do it just like this. You don't have to take the vein out, because a lot of people don't take the vein out. But I like to take my vein out. And you can just do it the same way. You don't even have to trim it, because a lot of people do it just the same way. They don't trim it. But you know, sometimes I just don't like these little things, so I try to trim some of them sometimes, you know. And it's easier to eat when it's trimmed. You don't have all this here. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I show you already what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just take the vein out and clean them up a little bit, and then I will get right back to you guys. So keep watching the video. So okay guys, here is the shrimp, pretty and nice. I tell you, I'm not gonna clean all of them up like that, but just trim off the long piece of hair on it. Right now I'm gonna go to season, guys. So this is the key part you gotta have to watch and to learn how to do this pepper shrimp. Okay, right now this is a seafood seasoning, guys. I'm trying to get this off. I need like a teaspoon. Here we go, like a teaspoon of seafood seasoning, my peeps. And right now, we can't do without the good old bay. So this now, let me open it up. It's brand new. I'll take the other one out. It's okay. We are going with like half teaspoon. Half teaspoon of the old bay, guys. Because I'm not going to put no salt in this thing, guys. All these things here have a lot of sodium. Can't do without this. Slap your mama. Tastes good on any seafood, guys. You need to try it. Okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and put like a half teaspoon on it. And of course, I can leave out my good old Jamaican Miss Maggie. Okay? This seasoning is very nice also, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and put like about a couple of shakes on it. Like about half teaspoon. Okay? That is it. We're not gonna put no salt, guys. I'm telling you, all these seasons already have salt. This is the only thing I'm gonna put, some black pepper. No salt, just watch the seasoning. Once you watch this seasoning, you got it. Trust me, you got it. Some black pepper. Okay? So this is all the seasoning I use. A little, half teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. You can use the seasoning of your choice, guys. Half teaspoon of Slap Your Mama. Half teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. guys, and a teaspoon of seafood seasoning, guys. That's all the ingredients. And I grate a little bit of black pepper. Grate a little bit of black pepper, because this black pepper is the one you have to grate yourself, okay? That is it. There's no more seasoning I'm adding into this, guys. All I'm gonna do is mix it up. Mix it up. Make these seasons soak. Give it flavor. And of course, I have a next season, guys. I'm gonna have to show you that one too. I have a next season I'm gonna put in, and that season is for really flavor, but mostly for color. Okay, because I'm trying my best not to use some ingredients that I don't want to use. So I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I'm gonna show you the original way too, that everybody do it. This is a street food, guys. Back in Jamaica, when we pass border going up, oh Lord, a lot of people have these in the back selling, guys. And then nice and peppery, they always nice. Every time I go up that side, I always wanted to eat some. Trust me. It's like a finger food that's so nice with the flavor. Real spicy. See? That is it. That is all I'm doing to that. So my people, this is all the ingredients I'm gonna use to make this pepper shrimp, okay? I have an onion here, a small chopped onion. I have 3 pegs of garlic, chopped already. I have 2 pepper here, guys. 1 habanero and 1 Scotch bonnet. Okay, guys? They're really hot. You can use the amount of pepper you wanted to use, okay? If you want it more spicy or real hotter, just add an extra pepper. But don't put too much pepper that you cannot eat, and then you're gonna be uncomfortable. You're gonna be like, I can't eat this, okay? You have to cook with flavor and spice. This is it. Only 2 pepper I'm using. I have some thyme here, fresh thyme. I had some green onion, a lot of people call it. This is Kellyan in Jamaica, okay? So these are the 2 pepper I use, my people. They're really hot, okay? So, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add. First, I don't need the stick in the thyme, okay? I'm gonna take this off. So I'm gonna strip it like this. I don't need a stick part, okay? You don't need a stick to bite on. So all I'm doing is pull the leaf off. So I'm just gonna keep pulling all the time off. All the time. I just don't need the stick part in it. I just need all the leaves like this. See what I'm doing? Yeah. All the leaf part. I don't need this part in it. That part can show out. I'm just looking for flavors, my people. Flavors. You know this one is gonna nice. This one is gonna be so nice, guys. So what I'm gonna do, go ahead. I'm not gonna put all of this in it, so I'm just gonna take back a little. You will see what I do with the rest. Just stay tuned, watch the video. I'm gonna put some of the garlic in it. I'm gonna put the pepper in it. I'm gonna leave just a little bit like this. Okay, I'm gonna put half of the onion in it. Okay, just stick and stay. Watch the video, my people. This one is gonna be so delicious. I used to make this. This is something that we always make. It's very nice, very spicy though. If you don't like spice, you can adjust the spice to your flavor buds. Okay, I'm gonna put all of my green onion, my scallion, in it. Okay. That is it. Alright. What I'm gonna do, combine everything. You know, I can't bother with the spoon, guys. I like my hand. I like to get in it with my hand, you know. Get all these things mixed up the right way. Just like that. Yeah. And remember, my hands, pepper don't bother my hand. If you know you're gonna use pepper like this, remember to wear a gloves, because you're gonna put your hand in your eye. I'm not gonna do that because I know what I'm doing. So okay, my people, I'm gonna let this sit just for a little bit, like about say 5-10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit a little bit, let the season get into the shrimp. Okay, so just stay tuned, watch the video. Okay, my beautiful people, so here we are going now. So when we take out the wok, you know what we are going to do. Something special is going to happen. Okay? So I have the wok on the fire. Getting it hot. I want it to real hot. Okay? All I'm going to do is just add a little bit of oil. Not a lot. I'm going to try to measure it for you guys. 1. Okay, that's 2. It's overflow already. You don't need more than that. It's a 2 pound of shrimp anyway, so let's give it a little one more. 3 teaspoons of oil, guys. 3 teaspoons. That's all I need. And if you, of course, if you're doing more, you can step it up. You add more, okay? So all I need to do is just oil this pan. Because this is a wok, guys. This is the original wok, okay? So I'm just gonna oil it because once this is oil, good to go. You're good to go. Trust me on that. All I'm doing is just oiling this. You know, let everywhere have some oil. So when the shrimp get there, it's good to go. Okay? That's all I'm doing. Oiling the wok. Right there. That's what I'm talking about. So now I'm gonna heat it up, let it get real hot. Okay? So stay tuned. Keep on watching. So these peppers are the 2 I use. I don't really need them no more, so I'm gonna take them off the plate. I don't really need them because I already use them. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my oil, guys. This one is gonna be nice. A lot of people don't season their oil, so I'm gonna show you how to season the oil. So it have more flavor. The shrimp is gonna have more flavor, guys. So here we go. My onion in the water. Okay, I'm gonna go down a little bit. Bring it down to like 7. Don't want it burn too fast. Okay, my people, I have to change my fat because I don't want to damage my wok. Okay, it's brand new and I used it a couple of times already. I want to keep it for a long time. So right now, I'm gonna go down a little bit lower. I want this bad boy to get flavor. Now I'm gonna go in with my garlic. The little bit that leave, yeah. Just season up the oil. Yeah. Yeah. Smell it, guys? I wish you could smell it. This is the remaining of the pepper that I tell you I'm not putting all because I want to get the oil seasoned and spicy. Okay? That is what we're talking about. So I'm just going to make this cook like about for 2-3 minutes, guys. And then I'm going to start to do the shrimp. So that is the part you want to stay tuned and watch for. Trust me, this one of them is so nice. Alright, so let him stay there. Getting the flavors up and running. And remember to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, give it a love. Str8yaad TV, Str8yaad TV, up and running. Banging! So we just keep spinning them around, you know? Spinning them around to let they cook out. And season the oil, give it a lot of flavor. That's what we're looking for, right? We're looking for spice. Something nice. A lot of people cook pepper shrimp and all it tastes is just salt and pepper. This one I'm teaching you about, it have a lot of flavor. Loaded with flavor, guys, and it's still spicy. Okay? To do it this way, trust me, you're never wrong. So right now, these already give me the flavor that I need. I'm going back up on high now. Because when I put in the shrimp, I need it to be on high. I'm not going all the way high, I'm going to 9. My limit is 10, so I'm going to 9. Yeah, let them kick up. No? I'm about to add in the shrimp, guys. I'm about to add in the shrimp. And I don't want my onions to burn. That's the trick, guys. That's why I turn it down low. Because I don't want my onion and my garlic to burn. Okay? I'm just looking for the flavor to release in the oil. Okay? Like that. See? So now we're on high. And they're still not burning. Now we're ready for the shrimp. So now we're gonna add the shrimp, my people. Now we're gonna add the shrimp. with all these beautiful seasons, all these, everything is going in the pot one time. Okay? All these seasons you see I cut up, and we're putting on it, let it sit for a little bit, and marinate. Everything is going in the pot, my people. Everything. See? Clean. So what we're gonna do now with this thing, we're gonna have to keep stirring. Because soon as I put it in, they already start to cook. And you don't want to overcook a shrimp too much. Because shrimp is something that's easy to cook, it's not hard to cook. We're just gonna keep stirring. Okay? Keep stirring. See the change in color already? Yeah, you know the pan is hot. Yeah. See all this beautiful seasoning, guys? Oh Lord. You wanna taste this one when it finish. Alright. Let him sit there, do his thing. I'm going on real high now because I want it to like a parching process. Parching the shell and to get the meat cooked inside. That's what I'm doing. So this is not trying to build water. You don't need to build juice because we're gonna add a little bit of water. Just stay tuned and watch, man. Just watch the video. I'm gonna teach you how to make the best pepper shrimp you ever have. The trick in this, guys, you have to keep stirring, okay? You gotta keep stirring. You can't just put it in and leave it like that. The bottom will cook and the top won't cook. So the key into this, keep stirring. Always put the one at the bottom and the top. And put the one on top and the bottom. Always doing that. Equally right round and chew. To get the good result. Okay? So this one is gonna be so good. You see it already? I'm telling you. See the change in color already? It's almost ready. It's done there. But they're not ready fully yet, guys. So just stay tuned. Watch the video. So guys, let me tell you something about pepper shrimp. You can use a lot of different stuff to give it the color. Like when you see them on the street, they're beautiful and pretty. Yeah, you can use a lot of stuff. But I'm going to show you the original way that a lot of people use. Because you could use paprika. You could use food coloring, which I'm going to use. Because that's the original way. You can use nata, natto, whatever they call it. I know it as nata. You can use the nata in it, that give it the same color anyway. But I was trying to get the nata, but I can't get it where I'm at, guys. If I was at the other location, I would have got it. But because I can't get the nata, and I know the paprika is not gonna give it a bright color like that. So I'm gonna go with the original way, guys. And a lot of people don't even use nothing. They just do it like this and eat it the same way. Okay? But I'm showing you the original way, guys. Just stay tuned. Watch the video. Watch the video, guys, and give it a like, guys. Give it a thumbs up. I need 1,000,000 likes on this one, guys. 1,000,000 likes on this pepper shrimp. Even though it's a request. Okay? Even though it's a request. I need 1,000,000 likes. Yeah. Like I said, the key to this is keep stirring. Yeah. Let the wok do the work, guys. You don't have to use a wok, you know, guys. You can use a Dutch pot. You can use a frying pan. You can use whatever you want to use. But when I'm doing this type of dish, I use my wok because I get a better result. But the Dutch pot can do it also. Okay? The Dutch pot gives you a nice result also too. But your frying pan can do it the same way too. You know when you go in the wok, you know what's going on. The Str8yaad cook up a storm. Once this wok come out, you know something special is going on. And this wok don't come out so often, guys. It's only special meal cook in the wok. Because I have my Dutch pot, I have my sauce pans. I have a lot of pans. Pots and pans. Guys, look already? Oh Lord. It look like I feel like taste one right now, guys. But I'm not ready yet. I'm making it cook the right and perfect way. Okay? Yeah. That is it. Looking good. Smelling great. Wow, this flavor is nice, guys. I can smell it already. It's gonna be epic. And the pepper is kicking. Guys, put the pepper to your taste buds, okay? Because I only use 2 peppers. A habanero and a Scotch bonnet. You can use whatever pepper of your choice. But remember, make sure when you cook it, you can eat it. Because I don't like too much pepper, like something in your mouth is burning like for hours. I don't feel comfortable that way eating food, guys. I like pepper, I love pepper, but I like the flavor. Just a nice, spicy flavor. Not something to keep my mouth burning every day. Like, I gotta get some water. If you love it like that, you can do it. Just add more pepper, that's all. It's very simple. Just add more pepper. All you have to do if you like the pepper like that, just add more pepper. Okay, my peeps? You know, Str8yaad now telling you no foolishness, you know. A real thing we're talking about around here. Real stuff. Okay? See, it's even building its own juice. This is the reason why I like the waka, guys. Waka is special when you come on to these type of meal. See that? Look at it. Look how it's bubbling, guys. You see the juice? And I don't add no water. This is the reason why I like the wok. And like I say, keep stirring. Bottom to top, top to bottom. Keep stirring. Wow. Looking great already, boy. This one is gonna be so good. Kiko. Beautiful people, look at it. You see, it's done, it's ready. But I'm gonna show you how to get that beautiful color that everybody is selling shrimp on the street, pepper shrimp in bag or whatever. I'm gonna show you how to get that color, guys. So I already have half cup of water here with some food coloring, guys. Okay, half cup, no more than half cup. And don't use a lot of food coloring, just use like about 2, 3, 4 drops. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, my peeps, I'm gonna go ahead, what I do, I just wash out the bowl. So I just mix it in the same bowl that I have the seasoning in it. So everything is in there, flavored, you know. I don't waste nothing now, nothing now, dash way. So what we are doing here, we're gonna add this now. We're gonna add the food coloring. And you're gonna ease back a little and stir it first. See the color what you want. If it's not, then you put all of it. Okay? And you're gonna bring this to a boil, and as soon as you bring this to a boil, you're gonna shut the stove off. You're done. Yeah, I need all of it. Need all of it. So right now I'm just gonna give him a little mix, combine that color that we're looking for, that beautiful red color. Yeah. See? That is it. This is the key part of it, guys. Once you put this in, you gotta mix it in taste this pepper shrimp, guys. It's gonna be so nice. Just for like about 2-3 minutes. Bring it to a real boil. And then we're done. Cover on. We'll soon be finishing, guys, so stay tuned. This is the color I'm looking for, yeah. This is the color, baby. This is the color, guys. This is the color I'm looking for. See? So pretty it is? Yeah. This is it. Real pepper shrimp. Yeah. This is it, guys. Smells so nice. I know it's very nice. It's gonna be so spicy. This is guys, I'm telling you. If you like spice and you like pepper, go for it. You can add more pepper. They have the ghost pepper, they have the devil pepper, they have all kind of pepper that's very hot. Go for it. But I'm telling you, this is perfect. Perfect. See? Perfect. Yeah. That is it, my peeps. Okay, my beautiful people, guess what happened? We have come to the end of this beautiful video. You know why? This spicy pepper shrimp, guys, is off the hook. I'm telling you. Do it this way, you never regret it. Look at it, guys. I'm finished. Trust me. Look at it. I'm done. See how pretty it is? That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, my peeps. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and turn the fire off. We're done. Very quick and easy, guys. Simple. Simple, easy dish. And I'm not going to let it sit there in that fire and dry out the juice. So I remove it from the heat. Because it has some beautiful juice that need to sit down and soak in the shrimp. Once it cool, there we go. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And all of my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Str8yaad love you, guys. And all of my old subscribers, one love. We love you also. Bring yourself over here. You are our subscriber. One love. Str8yaad TV. So my people, you know when you make these things, I have to taste it for you, I have to dive in it. So because it's something that real hot, my people, I have something here to cool my mouth down a little bit. Even though it's not that hot. But you have to have something to cool your mouth down, okay? Because mine is spicy. Mine is real spicy, okay? So I have some melon here, some tomato, a piece of lettuce, and some onions. I love these onions, guys. You can eat them like that. I have some grape, I have some strawberry, some watermelon, some pineapple. And I have a sweet piece of biscuit in case I need it too. Okay? So right now we are going to dive in it, my people. Can't wait. Yeah, flavor is great. Pepper, guys, it's pepper. It's pepper shrimp. How I eat my shrimp, I like to skin it. A lot of people eat, I'm going to show you how a lot of people eat. They just do like this. Everything. This have the flavor, guys. Yes, my beautiful people. It is nice. It is spicy. Trust me. Do it at home the same way, guys. Good result. Str8yaad TV. Well, Str8yaad TV. Remember to like this video, guys. Share it to your friends and family. And tell a friend to support the channel, guys. And tell another friend to subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay? One Str8yaad TV. Up and running.